Introducing the Freestyle 2 Blue wireless keyboard, the much-anticipated Bluetooth version of the award-winning Freestyle 2 split adjustable keyboard. In addition to the powerful ergonomic features of the USB versions, the Freestyle 2 Blue employs multi-channel technology. This lets you pair it with up to 3 Bluetooth-enabled devices and instantly switch between them. With the ever-increasing use of multiple devices at home, for traditional office, shared workspaces, or mobile needs, the Blue allows you to comfortably type on your laptop, tablet, smartphone, or any other Bluetooth device. Need to type a text on your smartphone? Easy. View a website on your tablet? No problem. Answer an email on your laptop or desktop? Just like that. The Freestyle 2 Blue allows you to easily switch between all 3 without sacrificing typing comfort. And because it's wireless, it's ideal for sit-stand workstations. Cable management concerns, such as raising work surfaces, are eliminated. Thanks to its unique split design, the Blue is highly portable for those on the go. And its rechargeable battery can last up to 300 hours of typing on a single charge. All Freestyle 2 accessories are compatible with the Blue, providing multiple tent settings with or without palm supports. The Freestyle 2 Blue is available in a PC version compatible with Windows, Linux, and Android, as well as a Mac version compatible with Mac OS 10.4 and newer, and iOS systems. Kinesis Freestyle 2 Blue. Stay comfortable while using any of your Bluetooth-enabled devices.